Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about beautiful short haircut ideas for women over 60. A great haircut can make you feel fresh, confident and stylish. Short hair is easy to care for, saves time and can make thin hair or fine hair look fuller. Let's look at some wonderful haircut ideas. The first style is the classic pixie cut. This haircut is short on the sides and back, with a little more length on top. It is simple, modern and easy to style. You can wear it smooth for a neat look or add a little texture for a fun and stylish youthful style. The next haircut is a layered bob. This style falls around the chin or just above it. Soft layers add movement and volume, making hair look thicker. It is perfect for women with fine or thinning hair. Another lovely choice is the textured crop. This haircut has short layers that create a soft, natural look. It is very low maintenance and only takes a few minutes to style. Just use a little styling cream or you are ready to go. The stacked bob is also a popular option. It has shorter layers in the back and slightly longer hair in the front. This haircut gives your hair extra shape and volume, making it look full and elegant. If you like a softer style, try a feathered pixie. The light feathered layers frame the face beautifully and create a gentle, youthful appearance. This haircut works well with grey, silver or white hair. A short shag is another fashionable choice. It has lots of soft layers and texture. This style looks relaxed and modern while giving thin hair more body and movement. For women who wear glasses, a slight sweat pixie is a great idea. The side bangs frame the face nicely and make your features stand out. It looks stylish and easy to maintain. The French bob is perfect if you love classic fashion. It is a short bob with soft bangs that gives a chin or timeless look. It works well for both straight and slightly wavy hair. If your hair is naturally curly, short curly cut is best. Keeping curls soft and shaped makes them look healthy and full. A curl cream can help reduce frizz and define your curls. Don't be afraid to embarrass your natural grey or silver hair. A fresh haircut paired with healthy, shiny hair can look elegant and confident. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks help keep your haircut looking its best. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.